I'm going to introduce you to my budget snow removal slash tractor contraption that I came up with. And I like to fiddle around, and this is kind of funny, but it does the job. Every homestead or farm needs some kind of equipment to run. Now, being that this is runs on fossil fuels, I am going to come up with something that will run on electric that I can recharge with a solar system. But for now, this is what we got, and I'm going to walk you through it. Under this tarp is the is my super Franken mower. So what we did is we took an old beat up wrecked riding mower. We took the mower off the bottom because I don't need that. This part was all smashed here, so we made a little frame. We took the fiberglass hood that was all wrecked. We took that off. We put a little cage around it to protect the motor. Around here, we made some chains. Get out of the way, cat. Out of some truck chains that have flown off and they had been left on the highway, so I grabbed those. Made some modifications under here so that the drive isn't trying to run the mower, and we have belts whipping around killing somebody. On the back, I welded some reinforcing steel because this here is there's not much strength there. So I made a little hitch back there, and with a pin I can pull this trailer around. Works great for manure and all that stuff. I just built a simple pipe hinge. A clevis there so it doesn't fly up. Took a 45-gallon drum and cut it in half. Made a tub to haul stuff in the front. Made another hitch that pushes around this snowblower that I got for free because the drive system was completely screwed on it. So we took the drive gear out, welded in here so that it's just an axle just to hold up the snowblower. Cut the handle apart, made a bracket that holds this piece in here. Got the motor running good. Disconnected the linkage for the driver system here for the belts. Took that off. So all this motor does now is run the blower itself. This whole project cost me about $14 in salvaged parts.
What's wrong?